Do you have an iPhone? Do you want to listen background music for free? I'll show it to you. Let's do it. Alright, if you have trouble sleeping or if you need some soothing music, if you have iPhone, I'll show you the trick. You go to control center. I already have the air thing right there. This goes to accessibility, but if you go to your phone and you type here control center, control center, right? And you can pick the controls that you want on your phone when you slide down. So I have hearing already on the top list, right? So that's good, it's already there. So when I go to my home, if I slide down and then if I press this thing over here, right now the background sound is off. So if I want to turn it on, I can turn it on. What I could do, I could check the sound of my choice. Let's say I like the dark noise, I like the ocean, or the rain, or the stream. White noise, whatever sound you like. You could take the volume from here and enjoy.